In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Salesforce platform effectively. For those of you who are new to Salesforce or just need a refresher on how to find and modify record types, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to complete this process with ease and confidence. Let's kick things off by starting at the home base. You'll want to make your way to the Salesforce homepage. If you're logged in, just head over to the top of your browser and type in the URL Dream Efficiency 5303 lightning.force.com. This will take you to the Salesforce home, your launching pad for the various tasks you'll be doing. As you arrive, look towards the upper right part of your screen where you'll find the Quick Settings. Clicking on this gives you immediate access to some of the essential configuration options without going through multiple menus. Now, you'll want to open the Advanced Setup. This is a crucial step to access a broader range of settings that are essential for modifying more detailed elements of your Salesforce setup, such as record types. Simply click on Open Advanced Setup in the Quick Settings menu and you'll see more options unfold. Once you're in the Advanced Setup, find the Quick Find box. It's usually located at the top left of your page. Click on it. It's designed to help you swiftly locate specific tools and settings without scrolling through a potentially overwhelming list. In the Quick Find box, type in Object Manager. This will help you quickly zero in on the Object Manager, which is a vital hub where you manage the records and objects related to different modules of your Salesforce environment. The moment you see the Object Manager appear, go ahead and click on it. After you've navigated to the Object Manager, it's time to select a label. Look through the list of available objects and pick the one that you wish to modify or investigate further. When you select a label, it'll open up more options specific to that object type. Next up, you'll be looking at the navigation bar within the selected object. Here, click on Record Types. This will direct you to a page that lists all the available record types for the selected object. Record types are used to differentiate layouts and business processes, making your users' lives easier as they interact with your Salesforce environment. Finally, you'll choose the particular record types you wish to view or edit. Once you've made your selection, click on Record Type. Here's a useful tip. You'll notice a URL in your browser. Within this URL, find the record type ID located as a 15-character code. This ID is crucial for certain API calls or integrations within Salesforce. And there you have it. These steps will help you navigate through Salesforce efficiently to access and modify record types. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to maximize your usage of Salesforce and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching.